Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance ETH wallet address. First, you need to log into your Binance account. Once logged in, look for the wallet icon, usually found in the top navigation bar or menu. From there, select Fiat and Spot to access your asset overview. This is where you'll manage all your different cryptocurrencies. After selecting Fiat and Spot, you'll see a list of your assets. Use the search bar to find ETH or Ethereum. Once you locate it, click on the deposit button associated with Ethereum. This action will take you to the deposit page where you must select the appropriate network for your transaction.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
It is crucial to select the correct network. For Ethereum, this is usually ERC20. After selecting the network, your unique Ethereum wallet address will be displayed. You will also see a QR code. Always use the copy button to accurately transfer this address. Double-check the copied address before proceeding with any transaction to ensure accuracy. Remember, selecting the correct network is vital. If you send funds to an incompatible network, your assets may be lost and unrecoverable. While ETH deposits typically do not require a memo, some other cryptocurrencies do. A memo is an identifier code that ensures your deposit is credited to your account. Always confirm if a memo is needed for other tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.